What's up, social media family? I'm here to do a special video. I have news for you concerning income. Cash in the Box is running a Winter Blast special. It's right before Black Friday, and if you want to get in and you want to save your position and get in with Cash in the Box, you are able to receive one of these flyers. We have different levels that you can come in, and you can have access to all those levels from $50 to $2,000 worth of payments, simply utilizing our cash system. If you want to get in, reach out to me. If you are interested in working from home, it's up to you. It's not hard to do. All we do is share the information, mail out flyers. You get a marketing kit on how to get started. If you want this information, is here for you to get started. You can come in for $100. It's not hard. $100 and have access to all the levels. And so this is a special that's going on. It's limited for a limited time only. So you want to get in. If you have questions to get started, this is a business opportunity. You can do this. Now, if you don't want to waste your time with the wrong program, you can be assured that this is something that's legit. It's not a scam. We have our license, and you're able to earn money with this program and build with us. You don't have to worry about whether or not this program is going away, because you can get in where you fit in. Now, if you want to do this business and you don't mind paying your taxes, and you don't mind sharing this information, sharing this opportunity, then you can get in, and we will welcome you to our team. We have training, we have all the information that you need to get started and to maintain. It's all about getting results, and so our team helps you build. As you see, posting of our results and our testimonials, that is for your viewer, and for anyone that can see this, that we do have proof that this program works. So till next time, if you have any questions, reach out to me on Instagram, social media, YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, also by email at CoachSir-Zamar@gmail.com. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go and do so today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Peace. Remember, invest your life.